Does your washing machine have small pieces of moldy stuff inside it, or your clothes smell a little bit funny after washing them? It's time to check the washing machine, the washer, detergent compartment. You can remove it, have a very good close look at it. Very good idea to clean this thing once every week or once every few weeks. The soap detergent will really accumulate here, and there might be even mold inside it. So also in the machine here seems to be a little bit of rust in there. I'm not sure what's that. Maybe it's from the softener, the fabric softener. Here I put it wrong, you see. This is a pretty good washing machine. This washer, I used it a long time and it's still working great. And I had the problem with the handle on it, but I fixed it. I put that rope there. So most important is to clean it and check here. This part under this rubber stuff there, if you see water and mold, it's not good. But it can't be cleaned, so don't worry about it. You don't have to throw away the washing machine for a little bit of mold. So here, all this rubber gasket, it's good to check it for mold, and you can actually clean it with a piece of cloth. But we have a better fix. Also, it's important that those holes there are not blocked, so that water can escape this gasket. That's a sealing gasket for the washing machine door. For the top loading washing machine, I'm not sure if this would be a problem, but this is a front loading washing machine and it would most likely be a problem. I will show you at the end a tip to make sure this doesn't happen. Okay, so the cleaning part is first you empty the washing machine, the washer. Set your temperature dial to the maximum it can do, 90 degrees, and then check with your manual in your washing machine manual in which mode it will wash at the 90 degrees. In this case 90 degrees is really the maximum you should use. And then baking soda, put 3 or 4 tablespoons of baking soda inside the washing machine or in the detergent compartment. Also you can get some citric acid. These are citric acid granules. This is basically like lemon juice, so you can use vinegar if you don't want to. If you don't have this, you can really just use vinegar. That goes, it's important, it goes in the fabric softener compartment. The fabric softener compartment will get used later in the washing process, so they will get mixed there and make a lot of bubbles, a lot of foam. When it's making the bubbles, the acid actually is neutralized and the baking soda is neutralized, but the bubbles, they make it look like it's doing anything cleaning important. So yeah, you can also do another trick. I will tell you soon about it. So the baking soda goes in the detergent compartment or inside the washing machine, and the citric acid or vinegar go into the fabric softener compartment, this one with the flour on it. Open the baking soda container and you can really use as much as you like. You can even, in this case I could have used this whole jar, but I don't want to use too much of it because I want to use it later. So really about 4 tablespoons is gonna be enough of baking soda. This is how the baking soda looks like from up close, a bit like salt. It looks a bit like salt, fine salt. So the baking soda can go either in the detergent, the normal detergent compartment, or even better, it can go inside the washing machine. So you can put it here, or you can put it inside the washing machine as you see it. So I choose to put it in there. It's has a more interesting effect. You can see how it's working. I think also it's more close to the machine, so it works better. But there is a reason why you want to put it on top in the dish, in the detergent compartment, to clean a little bit the way inside it. But I don't know, I'm not sure. You write in the comments which one you think is better, inside the washing machine or in the detergent compartment. So close the washing machine, The washer is closed, set to 90 degrees. The program is 1 in this case, that will run at 90 degrees, and I start it. I will let it run the full cycle, including rinsing and everything, and you see the baking soda inside there. And I will speed things up a little bit here because you don't want to watch the washing machine, but you see the citric acid is still there while the washing machine was filled, and that's fine, that's good, and not much bubbles action going on, but the baking soda is working its way. Also, the filter in the washing machine, it's here on the left or right. Here it's on the right side. If you look at it, easy to unscrew it and open it and clean it. I will put a link to another video in the description where I show you step by step how to do that, exactly how to do it. You should clean that filter every few months, really. I think I should be cleaning it now. The citric acid, I chose to use a little bit of vinegar to dissolve it before it goes in the washing machine to make it more easy to get mixed with the water. So it mixes a little bit with the vinegar while sitting there. While the washing machine is running, I want to show you the actual thing happening now inside the washing machine. So there is baking soda in the machine, and then when there is the, you see, when the fabric softener program starts, the citric acid goes in and starts to make this reaction, and it's a bit like foamy thing going on, and the problem is it will neutralize this vinegar, and the citric acid will get neutralized. But the trick is you can do this with more vinegar later. You see now it's much more foam now. Really, you see it started to work there, and there is a lot of foam. You might say that the foam means that it's not really doing anything, but foam is making things move around, and here is the trick. Once this was very hot water, 90 degrees, I could barely put my hand on it, it was very hot. And once this washing cycle is finished, here I actually put for the rinsing cycle. On the rinsing cycle I put not 1 but 2 glasses of vinegar. Ideally you would run another cycle with vinegar only, but here I was in a hurry to show you all the steps in one video, so there it goes. 2 glasses of vinegar go in the washing machine. Ideally you have this as a separate cycle, washing cycle, 90 degrees with vinegar inside if it's really dirty. As a prophylactic and also as a good way to reduce cost on your washing, you should use vinegar in the compartment for the fabric softener. Vinegar with a bit of lavender oil would be very nice for softening your clothes and without this gooey fabric softener stuff. And the vinegar also cleans the washing machine a little bit. Now it's finished and it's time to open up the washing machine. Yeah, that was really, it got really hot. It was washing at 90 degrees, so this got more clean. But I will show you a trick. This is the trick now.
And put a bit here.
After most of the washing cycles, put a bit of baking soda.
Till next time. Leave the door open.
Put a bit of baking soda on the rubber seal on the front door, and also leave the door open of the washer and the detergent compartment, especially after you have a washing cycle, to make sure it gets dry and it's nicely ventilated. The mold starts to grow when the door is closed, and if it's especially after washing the clothes and moisture there, it's not good, so that's why you keep the door open.